Transform your Shopify store with podcast integration using Buzzsprout. Begin by logging into your Buzzsprout account and selecting the podcast episode for embedding. Click the share button, often illustrated by an upward pointing arrow. Select the embed player option from the choices available, which will give you an embed code. Buzzsprout will generate an embed code. Copy the entire code, as it controls how the audio player will display in your Shopify store. Head over to your Shopify admin panel, choose where you want to embed the player, a product, page, or blog post. Then, find the content editor and look for the HTML view option, usually marked as Show HTML. Access the HTML code modifications by clicking the Show HTML option, which will activate the code editor. Here, the Buzzsprout embed code will be entered. Paste your Buzzsprout player code into the HTML wherever desired, incorporating it into your content layout. This is also where any desired customization of the player can be made. Save your modifications. Your podcast episode is now integrated into your page. Generate new listeners and customers by creating engaging content. Congrats!